What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Daniel, and today we're going to talk about my big brake setup. Now, I get a lot of questions on my socials, and one of the most requested info is about my BBK setup. Before we get into this video, I just want to say please do your own research before getting into the brake setup like this. I don't want you to spend X amount of dollars and end up having to scrap the project due to the fact that you got the wrong parts, or worst case scenario, not being able to retrofit it. With that out of the way, let's kick things off with the front BBK setup. I currently have the OEM BMW Big Brake Kit. This BBK setup was originally offered in the E46 platform, but made possible to retrofit due to a special front carrier bracket made by ECS Tuning. Now, this is a 6-piston Brembo calipers, pads, and 338mm drilled slotted rotor setup. It is the genuine BMW Performance front sports brake retrofit that was offered for the 2006 to 2013 E90 models. The calipers and the rotors used in this package are based on the stock brakes of the 135i. Now, I know you can reuse your dust shields, but I believe you need to cut a bit of it off so that it clears the larger front brakes. Now, in order for you to retrofit it into your E46, you will need a special carrier bracket that I got from ECS Tuning. I believe there are other companies out there that provide this special bracket, but to my knowledge, I am only familiar with ECS Tuning. So in order for this kit to work, obviously you need the calipers, you need the bigger brake pads, and the bracket to successfully run on your E46. Overall, I am personally very happy about the front big brake caliper setup that I have on. This really satisfies my inner purist mindset and vision for my E46. Upon taking this to the track, I did notice a stronger bite when braking, but be warned that this caliper is not the best when it comes to overall track performance. I know for a fact that in the BMW community, the piston ceramic caps and boots can crap out when used extensively, so watch out for that. But for me, this is just for street use, and with an added bonus, this huge caliper just demands attention. Last but not least, the back of the brake setup. To complete the overall OEM BMW Performance BBK theme are, of course, the OEM BMW Performance Rear Big Brake Kit. Now, I have to thank my good friend over here at the E46 community. He graciously held this kit onto me for quite some time, and he's a fan of my car, and he wanted to see this pair match up with the fronts. Now, this setup here is quite unique and one of the most looked over setups due to the fact that there are a lot of additional modifications that you have to do in order to get this to fit. First and foremost, you need a set of M3 rear rotors. The M3 rear rotor have a bigger diameter of 328 compared to the standard 330i model, which is 320 in diameter. Second, you'll need longer brake lines. In this case, you're looking at around 650 mm. Third, in order for you to get this to fit properly, you'll need to cut a bit of your dust shield off so that it fits the new caliper. Overall, I can confidently say that this rear setup really completes the look for me, and for performance wise, it's pretty much next to none for me since I don't do any hard rear braking or any drift action with my E46. Lastly, if you guys are on a budget, you could definitely consider getting the sport version that was offered on the 135i. The 135i did come with a BBK option, and the only difference is it's just the paint color, to be honest. As you can see, the gray ones just say BMW on it without the official BMW Performance watermark. There you have it, guys. This is my current E46 brake setup. Let me know in the comment section down below what setup you're running and if you're looking to upgrade anytime soon. Once again, if you haven't already done so, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. This really helps me produce contents like this for you guys to enjoy. And if you haven't done so, let me know in the comment section down below what you'd like to see next. And please continue to reach out to me through my socials. I am pretty responsive when it comes to social media. But until then, see you next time.